The Meghalaya College Teachers Association today celebrated its 50th Foundation Day at Lady Keane College in Shillong. The Rajya Sabha member Dr. W.R. Kharluki, who represents Meghalaya, was the chief guest on the occasion. The Meghalaya Additional Chief Secretary D.P. Walang graced the occasion as the guest of honor. Professor T.K. Kharbamon, the Vice Chancellor of Martin Luther Christian University, was also present on the occasion. The chief guest and other dignitaries were felicitated by the office bearers of the Meghalaya College Teachers Association. The Golden Jubilee of Meghalaya College Teachers Association began with a welcome address by Dr. D.K.B. Mukim, Principal of Lady Keane College. The President of Meghalaya College Teachers Association, Dr. B.H. Buam, in her presidential address said,
"And a warm welcome to one and all present in today's function. A momentous occasion. We are inspired by your presence, and we would be more inspired if this hall is full with other members, because they are trickling, and we express regret for the sake. It is an honor and privilege to have the esteemed presence."
The Golden Jubilee of the Meghalaya College Teachers Foundation Day was also marked by a panel discussion on status of education in Meghalaya, a retrospection.
Because if you do not have diversity in education, then you're missing out on something really important. And you spoke about the languages that we need to learn. We have a lot of students in China studying medicine, studying, the IIM Shillong has some kind of tie-up with institutions in China. It's important to learn Chinese. The Japanese are investing heavily in the northeastern region, and they want to have students from here to go and look at Japan, study Japan, and their students from Japan to come here. We need to study Japanese. Why only Hindi? I mean, I can't understand this imposition of Hindi. So, again, let me go back to primary education. In India, we have all kinds of legislations, and the latest one is the right to education. Okay, so you've got children to school, but you can't retain them. The dropout rates are still very high at the primary level. Please, when we speak about education, let's allow our imagination to run wild.
The celebration was concluded with the cultural program.
Sen